Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Treehouse, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Treehouse website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Look for the install section on the homepage. Select your operating system from the options available. For Windows users, download the Windows installer file. For Mac users, download the macOS installer file. Open the downloaded installer file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Treehouse on your machine. Once the installation is complete, open the Treehouse application. Check for updates in the application to ensure you have the latest version. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the available courses and projects. Select a course that interests you to get started. Ensure your internet connection is stable for optimal performance. As you progress through the courses, take notes on key concepts. Engage with the community forum for additional support. Begin practicing what you've learned through hands-on projects. Stay consistent with your learning schedule for the best results. Consider exploring advanced topics as you become more comfortable with the platform. Enjoy your journey with Treehouse as you build your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.